our tile ink project. So first we're gonna get started with our alcohol bottle. Here, cameraman, you can face it.
I'm a woman.
Up camera woman down to the thing. And when you're spraying this after, okay, never mind, I'll just get to the point after. I'm just gonna spray it. Sorry. And I think that's enough. And now we're just gonna move it around and around and around. So now we have to do it quickly after. So we're just gonna get started. Oh, that's a little too much. You don't have to put a lot, but don't put too little. That's all I can say. And now we're gonna take our straw, our lucky straw, and Mom. Wow, that's so cool. And I have a third color coming in, but we're not gonna bring that till the end. Okay, we're gonna put more of the pink. And this will need to dry for 24 hours, so 24/7. Okay, there's the green, the last. Whoa, oh my God, that is so beautiful. Wait, let me just blow this part. Okay, this is actually so cool, but
We'll show you another one. She's gonna show you another one with a little bit less ink, so you'll get the idea. Also, besides doing that, you can also go like this and drip it down if you want. And then it makes a totally different other design. So you can blow it or you can drip it.
Okay, here is the other little display. Recommend
With less ink.
Yeah, with less ink.
And you know what, Cam? Let's do this. Let's just take one of these. I'm gonna spray this one up since we have an extra tile right here. And let me get this one really wet. And make sure that I get it everywhere.
Mom, too little.
That's okay, it's just for my hands.
Okay, and make sure to wear gloves.
I know.
Because,
and then you just want to make sure that you have the alcohol covering every part of it. And I'm actually going to take some of your ink from here and just pour it down on here if it's going to go and see what happens. Because there's a lot of ink on this one.
wow. Okay, wait, Mom, we're gonna
So you have 3 different styles. Can I blow this one a little bit?
Yeah, that's right.
So after it dries a little, you could still blow.
See how it's like a little dry? This one is fully ready. But if you don't wear gloves
Your hands will look like this.
and this, I have this finger looking like that, and then these hands. But yeah, so these are the examples that you're gonna need. So we have 1, So, yeah. Hope you do great.
And she's gonna do it with you tomorrow.